ट्रैवलिंग तो सबको पसंद है, पर पैकिंग, बहुत लोगों को पैकिंग की जगह प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते हैं एंड सम कैन नेवर डिसाइड व्हाट टू टेक एंड व्हाट टू लीव। कुछ लोगों की जैसे कि मैं। When I got to talking to my girls bus gang, they all were like, wow, how many of us have actually faced this and we never ever think about how to work on it. So, in this video, we are bringing you some superb tips by our very own girls bus gang that will make your packing more interesting and easy. Let's get started. Hi, I am Umema Malbari from Girls Bus and we bring you videos about all the matters in a woman's life. If you want to stay updated with all of this info, then subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay notified every time we upload a new video. The most important task is to check the weather. Remember to check the weather of the places that you are visiting on your vacation. This is very important because wet shoes in rainy weather and puffer jackets in light winters might not be the best option. Knowing the weather will help you to prepare the list of essential items that you need for your entire trip. The next task is to prepare a list. A packing list is a must. We all might like to believe that it is possible to remember everything. But many a times we miss out on so many little items and we only realize it once we need them during the trip. Whether it be your menstrual cup or your toothbrush or your phone charger, there are things that you would never want to miss. Packing lists are not simply last-minute checklists. Having it all written in front of you helps you pack in an organized manner and select things based on your necessity. You can divide your checklist into toiletries or makeup, accessories, electronics, clothes, footwear, essential documents and first aid kits. If you are looking for a checklist for your weekend getaway, you can also visit the resources section on our website. The link is in the description below. Another important tip is to plan your outfits in advance. You may think it's overkill, but planning your outfits for each day of your trip makes it so much easier. Pairing your clothes along with your shoes and accessories not only saves time during the trip, but also saves you a lot of space in your luggage. माना कि ट्रिप से पहले सारे आउटफिट्स प्लान करने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए, but it's totally worth it. Make sure that you don't miss out on your favorite undergarments while packing. Always pack travel-sized toiletry bottles. Packing big bottles of moisturizer, shampoo and conditioners can be a hassle. It takes a lot of space. और आपके साथ कभी ये हुआ है? You reach your hotel after a long journey and open your bag only to find out your big shampoo bottle has leaked. Oh my god, what a disaster! इसलिए it's very important to pack all your toiletries in small bottles. To do this, you can buy some travel-sized bottles and fill them up with your essentials. The link to the product will be mentioned below. Although, remember to put some labels on the bottles so that you don't end up putting conditioner in place of shampoo. If you couldn't buy these bottles in time, you can always buy those smaller sachets of the regular products that we find in the market. What's more, you can even recycle many of the bottles that you would have otherwise thrown away after one use. Also, never forget to carry your menstrual cups, pads or tampons, whether you expect them or not. If you find it difficult to travel during periods, you can also check out our video on how to travel during periods. Next up, pack makeup in a pouch. The first and the most difficult thing about packing makeup is that you have to select a few from your collection. Try to imagine how much makeup you will be using on this trip and that will help you separate out the ones that you need. If you want to keep it light, then select nudes and all-time shades that go with everything. Once you are done selecting, put all of these inside a pouch or a box together. Also, make sure to pack those extra hairbands and clutches along with them. After all, you never know when you lose one. Always use shoe bags. Well, this tip is quite common. Probably most of you have been following it every time. The bottom of your shoes and sandals often remain dirty. So it's quite important to put them in a separate bag or in any packet if you find them in your house. And then put them inside your luggage. The next tip is to pack chargers and cords separately. If you have too many chargers, earphones, power banks and other electronic stuff, it's always better to keep in a separate pouch. You get such travel pouches on Amazon and we have put a link for you in the description below. Also, carry a laundry bag. Getting this done is a must if you're going to a beach. Actually, it's necessary for every place that you visit. Carrying a laundry bag or any regular bag will help you to store all your dirty clothes together. Doing this will also prevent your clean clothes from getting stinky. Lastly, never forget these essentials. From first aid kits to important documents, there are some things that you would really not want to miss. Take some bandages and common medicines separately inside a pouch. Also, make sure to include all the medicines that you might need. Never forget to pack all the documents required for your trip. Remember, ये step skip करने से आपके पूरे travel plans के cancel होने के chances है. Hope this video helps you to pack for your next trip. Do share your travel pictures with us on our channel for some inspiration. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with some such more amazing videos.